Hi everyone, my name is Chance and I'm going to show you this game that we called Django. So it's about the monkey which is eating bananas. When the score reaches to 120, then the player wins the game. The game is here. This is the game, and yeah. So let's play. And you see that if I start to eat this banana, I get like 10 score. When I eat this, I get an addition of 10 and so on and so on. So let me win this game before I go into code. And boom, then you win the game. Okay, so let me jump into code. Uh, so basically, this is my folder structure. I have assets, index, Django, the JS, and this readme file. Okay, so you need to have this HTML where we'll be having your scripts, you just able to call your Django.js file, I mean, whatever you have to call it, and have this CDN. This CDN um, will be helping us to call the phaser functions. I mean, allow us to perform different actions, if I could call that. Okay, so after that, you need to, let me show you, let me show you Django.js. So this is all of it, of all of the JavaScript that I've used. And this is the asset, like this is the image of the bananas. This is the image of the monkey. Like I have this because I want, if I click right, I want to see this. If I click left, I want to see this. And the platform, basically the ground. So the first line is for initialization, having the width and height for the screen that you want. And this object, like I can call this like a primary function, which will allow us to perform like allow us to play and render the image. Okay, so this preload will allow us to like first have your image loaded before, like to have it preloaded. And this create basically I just understand this as like in the way of like drawing and having those art and blocks in the UI. Things like these are having this ground, having these bananas, having the monkey. Okay, so yeah, so this is where we'll be starting to create a block, positioning it, and if you see like this ground, this is exactly this. And having this ledger, this is like also you see like this is ground. This is like I'm changing the position, but I'm having like this is about like four ground, if I can call that. And also you need to have the player integrated, which is the monkey, and have it positioned. And also you need to put to have this property on player like bounce and gravity. And collide word, this should be true. Like we should not miss that on the screen. Like just something like that, like not limiting this to go all the way down. And this is like the decoration of the animation, I mean direction animation. Like if I want to go to the right, it should happen. But this is not in action, this is like initialization of it. And so after this, you need to have this group of partners, but we need to have these 12. You see, like I have 12. And so I need to have this like one by one so that I can have this property of gravity and bounce on each. So I need to use for loop. Then when I address each of like one of the bananas, I need to have this property integrated. So this is about the marks which is being shown, like the skull. This is the color yellow, and this is the positioning. And yeah, this is it here. We see when I first hit the first banana, we found the score. Okay, on update, this is like the good part. So this is where we be saying like if banana and platform meets, what will happen? Like yeah, this should not, I mean, this should collide, should not like close one another, or closing the screen, play and the platform and bananas on the platform. You see, this market cannot close this screen area, and this banana, if I reload, you can see it again. It cannot close this screen area. And so this overlap is what will happen if the monkey reaches the banana. This function will be called collect banana, and is declared here. So like the banana will be killed or to disappear, then the score will be incremented. Then you have to show this score on the screen. And this is the velocity on y-axis. It should be 0. So also this, yeah, this is about the direction. I mean, the animation for moving left or right. So if I hit left, the velocity should be this, and this animation should play left. And this left is the one which is here that we declared. The right side the same. So if I do none of this, I should stop. And this condition is somehow interesting. Yeah, so if it's for the jumping. So once I want to jump, I will jump only if the monkey is touching the ground. And so otherwise, this will be weird. I mean, this won't, like, the monkey won't be able to jump. And so about this is once I reach 120, so I will have this alert of you're the winner. That means I win. And yeah, I will have to reload the game, like to have it set up so that anyone can play, any person can play. Basically, this is most core functions about the game. And you can also access the game by this hosted link. You see, this is hosted here, and it is playable. You see, you can have this work fine. Okay, good. All right, you win. Also, you can access this on my GitHub. It is public. You can just go there and see if you want to get into code. All right. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. See you around.